Making some cranberry sauce here, and you're gonna like it. No? You're gonna love it. It's gonna be a really simple recipe, and what I have here is just under a pound of cranberries, fresh, sorted through, picked through, and we are gonna do a cognac with this one. So let's get started just by dumping these right in here. I'll go ahead and add that sugar, add that lime juice, measure out that cognac, go right in there. Dine with Devin. Tell me how you're gonna make this better in the comments below. This holiday recipe is perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any time, and is easy in this step-by-step how-to cooking video. Now that the 3 ingredients are in, I will just heat it at a medium temperature, stirring every so often. Let it simmer while the cognac reduces and blends with the cranberries. The cranberries will break down and blend nicely with the citrus, sugar, and cognac. After it simmers for about 15 minutes, smash the cranberries. It'll be easy with a fork or a whisk, or if you use a potato masher like I am here, it'll be even easier. Give it a final stir with a spoon. I'll transfer it to a bowl, and let's see how this turned out. Can you look at that? Beautiful cranberry sauce. Fresh cranberries, simmered with sugar, cognac, orange juice, and a little bit of love. Let's give it a try. These are perfect. Let me know what you think. Oh, wait. Don't you want to see these finished on the final plate? Look at that video up there.